revise the properties first. So everyone unmute. So I'll ask one by one. Chip, what is additive identity? Ma'am, paste the names.
Third, additive identity is where there is one.
Additive identity, बेटा वन ऐड करोगे तो क्या नंबर सेम रहेगा?
No.
आप बताओ. Then बेटा one is not the answer.
So do you know today I had a table tennis tournament, but I lost.
So sometimes losing makes you more powerful and more prepared for the next match. So at times losing is good, but don't make it a habit. Make a habit
So it was my first.
make a habit of winning, not losing. All right. So next one is, so additive identity is 0. Additive identity is 0. So next, what is multiplicative identity goes to Navya.
Then multiplicative identity.
So yes, Navya, what is multiplicative identity?
The one.
1. Okay. So what is next properties? What is closure property? Goes to UV scooter.
Closure property is when there is when you add two whole numbers and the result is a whole number, and you add with and it happens with addition and multiplication.
So when we add multiply two whole
Two whole
numbers,
numbers and the result is a whole number.
we get whole number. Next next property is commutative. It will go to, let me see. No, I'm just giving one chance to all. Candy, commutative.
Uh, two two numbers add when we add two numbers or multiply the answer, when the order is changed, the answer will still remain the same.
Yes, guys, just excuse me for a minute. I'm getting an urgent call. One second. Or what? Or multiply. Did I get the correct answer for this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when we add or multiply two numbers in any order, two numbers in any order, the result is same. For example, 5 times
So, sir,
17.
whole numbers.
It doesn't matter whole numbers, even it is valid for integers also, natural numbers also. So we have whole range of numbers for this is valid. So Dia has joined. Has Mahuri joined? Has Mahuri joined? Ma'am, Mahuri and Hitansh, Mahuri, Hitansh and Ananya. All right.
No.
Next, give me associative property. Let me give a call to Hitansh side by side. So who wants to give me the associative property?
Sir, me.
So
Sir,
let,
I'm in an academy. I won't be able to sit on my camera. I'm just leaving 2 minutes, please.
okay, beta. So
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I? Can I not tell? Can I? Sir, can I please not tell? Don't ask me this question. It's a really difficult question. So, I better lower down my hand.
you better lower down your hand. I will ask this from Parizida.
Sir, I don't know it at all. Sir, please ask. Associative property is when three or more numbers are multiplied or added in any order and the result is not changed.
So basically, when three or more numbers are added, multiplied in any order, the result is same. Let me give you an example. So 45 multiplied by, so we know now, we have understood, I think, correct? So examples I have already given.
Sir, who's
Sir, can you please increase the font size? I'm not able to read because I'm on a phone.
Yes, beta, but we were just discussing the properties.
two
Now
bar?
we'll head back to the questions from the IML. So I think now we remember in next class, property revision is not required. I think I can give one more question of distributive property.
Yes,
Rest
sir,
you
you
guys,
can give.
Sir,
yes,
who
rest.
talks or speaks the most in your class in sixth, grade 6?
Uh, that is a poll question that has to got to be a poll question, I think.
Who speaks
So
the most?
23 multiplied by, let me give 103.
Hmm.
So using distributive property only, don't multiply. You have to solve using distributive property.
It's easy. Why are we doing so many distributive property questions?
Because some kids find it tough. And
I
Mahuri and Ananya are absent. Mahuri and Chetty are absent.
have a feeling my answer is going to be wrong. So this should be a star question.
So today I will have to leave at 45, sir.
I know, but you could have joined on time.
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not that well and I forgot there was a class today.
What happened to you?
Sir, I have a blocked nose and sir, some headaches.
So, Mr. Guy, please check your typing mistake. Candy, it's correct.
Did I get it wrong or like?
What is the guy today? Guy with the new video game. Why don't you just say a video game guy or new video game guy?
I don't know. I just got bored of using that guy, this guy.
Game guy, game guy.
So, which new video game did you get?
It's not true. I didn't get a new video game. I'm bored. I had nothing more to write. I should change it to guy who wants a new video game.
So, Parisi, let's look here, beta. Parisi, unmute.
Sir, send the answer again. The answer is 2369. Sir, I copied the number wrong.
So 103 can be written as 100 plus 3.
Yes, sir.
So then 23 will be multiplied by 100. I will get 2300. And then 23 will be multiplied by 3. I will get 69. My final answer will be 2369. All right. So let's look at now Kindle now for some Olympiad questions practice. So how many questions have we done that day?
Sir, I don't know.
So why are we not doing negative numbers?
But I forgot. So what does WRT stand for?
With
With respect to. Or
So
actually
give
without
respect,
respect
take
to.
respect. Yeah,
It
did
stands
we do
for
10th and 11th? I
without
think
respect to.
did we do the 12th question?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
But why are we not doing negative numbers?
We will do soon. Let's complete this chapter now.
Okay.
So have we done this 13, 14, 15? I don't think so.
We have not. I don't think so, sir.
So
right.
we have done 13. We have done 13. I remember
Yeah,
this 13.
We've done 13 and 14. Oh yeah, so we did 13.
Yes. We didn't do 15.
Basically, we did for natural number. Which natural number does not have a predecessor? This one. Did we do 13 also?
Yes.
What about 14, 15?
No.
So we didn't do 14.
So let's do 14, 15, 16.
Sir, is 0 a whole number or a natural number?
The natural numbers start from 1 and whole numbers start from 0. Whole.
Sir, why does 0 play such a significant role? And sir, who created 0?
0 was created in my city. You can search on internet. So which video game you want, the guy?
I don't know. I don't know why I put that name. It's the only thing I could think of. I'm
Do you
very
have PS5? Do you have
Instead of
PS5?
writing it so long, you can just write game guy.
I am not creative today, okay, and I'm too lazy to change it. Just I'll do something new today. Yeah, after this question. Something new. Sir,
Mr. Bambi, you need to revise the properties better.
Okay, sir.
probably because he isn't feeling well.
I immediately resend my answer, ma'am. Can you please recheck?
Ma'am. Oh yeah.
Mr. Bambi, only the second question is correct. So Mr. Black, don't use such words in the class, please.
Sir, what
And
did I do?
Adya, make sure, beta, you solve one question, two question, just send the answer. Don't just sit in the class, Adya.
Sir, what did I do?
Then what did Blur do?
Yes, sir. What did I do actually?
Probably sex. Take off.
Beta, he's sending me bad words to me. Mr. Black, don't do that.
Oh,
for next
very
Sir, I
time.
bad,
did.
huh?
Sir, I didn't. Sir, I just sent the answers.
You sent me bad. Am I bad to you?
No, sir. Sir, but
And this,
sir, but
Oh, the
you said
answer
I
is BAD.
no, it's not BAD. It's not BAD at all.
Oh, so yes, it can't be BAD because the answer for the second one I said is.
See, additive identity of whole numbers is 0. Any confusion in this, Dia and Mr. Bambi? 0 को हम ऐड करते हैं किसी नंबर में, we get the same number.
No, sir. Sorry, I kept mixing up things.
Yes.
Sir, even I didn't see, so I didn't
Now
see something.
this one a into c minus b. A की जगह मैं 35 पुट कर दूंगा, c की जगह मैं 23 पुट कर दूंगा, b की जगह मैं 11 पुट कर दूंगा. So 35 multiplied by
12
12 will give me 420.
420.
Yes. When we multiply a whole number and the multiplicative identity means
Excuse me,
whole
sir.
number is
Sir, I
75
have a
multiplied
dash
by
one.
1
Excuse
will
me,
be
sir.
1 second will give me the number itself.
So, but if we multiply 0 with 1, then we
But
get 0.
then 0 with 1 तो number itself ही हो गया ना, 0 ही मिला मुझे,
Oh,
right?
yes, correct. Yeah.
Yes, Chippy.
Sir, I wanted to tell you that multiplicative identity is 0.
No, beta, multiplicative identity is 1. Because
Oh.
1, we multiply 1 with something, we get the same number. 1 multiplied by Chippy gives me the same number.
For
So
Okay.
it's 0.
Adya, listen to me, beta, don't.
So please let me in.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Ma'am didn't let me answer.
रागिनी मैम प्लीज, बेटा आपने अगर मुझे ना टाइम पे दिए होंगे मैम को, मैम ने चेक किए होंगे, मैम प्लीज सी इफ शी हैज गिवन ऑन टाइम, प्लीज चेक इट. मे बी she
Sir,
got it. Okay. Yes, Diya.
So please let me in from another device.
बेटा there is no waiting room in my meeting. इस वैसे इस क्लास में है, but I have disabled it. It's not enable. Okay. So you
So, but I need
try.
to join from the computer.
अरे बेटा, anyone can join this meeting. कोई meeting room नहीं है इसमें. So you try इसको close करो और दोबारा log in करो. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Diya. Thank you.
I think we didn't completely join in.
So 17, 18. That's it. 17, 18. That's it.
Sir, actually, in 17th one, all statements are correct.
but we can't divide 0.
Mr. Hikant, you want to teach? Please
Oh,
be my guest, better.
oh, sir, I'm sorry, I was giving you. Excuse
I know
me,
that,
sir.
but
What
the
is
number itself.
what is non-zero whole number?
Means जो zero नहीं हो.
मतलब
मतलब जैसे वो
0 के
सारे
अलावा
zero नहीं है.
okay.
Sir, I did a typing error.
So time up, guys. Time up. So which
Sir,
of the
I sent
following
the
is okay? Division by zero is not defined. मतलब आप कभी भी divide करो zero से, वो valid नहीं होता. So this is the answer is D. Parisi, you understood?
What's 0 zeros are 0? The answer I did a typing error.
Yes.
Just
Beta,
as ma'am.
0 zeros are 0. This is true. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. But division by 0 is not defined. So this is false. When a non-zero whole number, just say like 5, divided by itself, divided by 5, we get 1. So Zapman, Adya understood?
Sir, it should be possible.
yes, sir. I thought it was multiplied. It was.
So can you zoom out your screen? It's not completely visible.
Yes, 0 divided by 100 is possible, but 100 divided by 0 is not possible.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, can you show the previous question just for a second again?
So, but even
Beta,
impossible.
can I? Okay, let me show you. Here.
So, what were the answers of both the questions?
For this, it was D part. 0 division by 0 is not defined. For 18th, it is 1. Number divided by itself, 10 divided by 10 gives you 1.
Oh. So, 0 can reach up to 0.
So now kids, in the 19th question can be arranged. See, let me just explain you a little bit in this. So in a line, so we can arrange any number. Now, how can we arrange in a triangle like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are triangular numbers. So first I got 1, then I got 3, then I got 3 plus 3, 6, then I got 6 plus 4, 10. These are triangular numbers.
Then plus 5, then plus 6, then plus 7.
Yes.
Sir, I didn't understand rectangle and line.
लाइन में तो बेटा all dots can be dots को आप कितनी भी लाइन में कर दो 1 2
Yes,
1
sir,
2
but
3
what about rectangle?
think about it. You might understand it.
Might is the word.
So you gave the answer.
Unlucky me. Yes, I gave the answer.
No, I did not give the answer.
So when
Yay.
you drew the triangle, you literally gave the answer.
Beta, I was explaining your concept that I have to do, my boy.
And you gave the answer.
Really?
Sir, I didn't see what rectangle thing you had made. Can you show it again, even though I sent the answer?
Rectangle thing I have not made just now. So rectangle thing you have to make on your own. So no one will send bad words to me from now. Is that understood, Arnav?
What did I do now?
That time you send me bad.
Sir,
that
can you
was
check
my
my
mistake.
answer?
Sir, that was my mistake.
Yes, so that's what I'm saying. No one will send me that again.
What if someone does, sir? What would you do?
Kicked out of the meeting.
Sir would cancel his gift.
So let's see,
Excuse
guys.
me,
Now.
sir. After the
Yes.
explanation of the question, can we get a break?
No, beta, no.
We can't
So
because I
Candy,
have to
keep
go
your camera
early.
on. So I already told what are triangular numbers 1, 3, 6, 10. Then we add 5. So it
15,
becomes 15. Then
21,
we add 6, it
28,
becomes 21. So
then
10 is a
28.
triangular number.
Sir, you didn't check my answer.
I cannot find any other triangular numbers. So just by seeing this, I know this is my answer. Now, how will I arrange it in the form of a rectangle? 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So basically, the number should be even to get arrange it in the form of rectangle.
So I
Sir,
didn't
that's the answer I just thought, but I thought again
Yes,
and I
beta,
answered.
yes.
So I didn't understand.
What? Triangular number?
No, rectangular.
Rectangular beta. See 10 को आप 5 into 2 लिख सकते हो ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is rectangular number.
जैसे तो
9 भी
12
हो
को भी
सकता है.
सर 6 into 2 कर सकते हैं.
Yes, 6 into 2 कर सकते हैं. 4 into 3, even 9 is a 9 rectangular number होगा कि नहीं होगा because it's a square number. So every square is a rectangle, so it should be a rectangular number
Every
also.
square is a rectangle.
Yes.
So how?
Every square is a rectangle.
It is a part of a rectangle.
No, is a rectangle. Every square is a rectangle, but every rectangle is not a square. Let me tell you why.
So every composite number is a rectangle.
Let me tell you why. Because what is a square? What is a rectangle? Opposite sides equal
Oh yeah,
are equal and parallel. तो वो स्क्वायर में होती है कि नहीं होती?
होती है.
So बस तो every square is a rectangle.
A square
But-
possesses the
Yes.
features of a rectangle, but a rectangle
Yes.
doesn't.
Yes, exactly.
What? So,
Minion guy?
I don't know.
Minion. Whose minion are you?
I don't know. I'm
So
very
do
not
the
good.
21 and 24th question. 21 and 23, sorry. The 22nd question is for no one.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
how do we do the 23rd question without the options?
But I have a challenge to myself. I have to do everything without using my notebook. So today in school we were doing some true and false questions. There was one, we cannot represent all whole numbers on the number line. So what should be the answer according to you?
We cannot or we can?
Cannot.
We can represent it. We can represent all
how
whole
We
numbers.
represent all whole numbers. There are infinity.
Beta, but if you give me any whole number, I can represent it on a number line, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you know why this
It
true or
is
false?
representable.
Yes, it is representable. So you know how come this comes from this true or false? Because there are some numbers which cannot be represented,
So which numbers? Infinity.
presented on number line. They are complex numbers. They are imaginary numbers.
So like, can you give an example? Googleplex.
No, beta. You will study about them in grade
Very high
11.
classes.
11.
With very high and hush
Yes.
For them in grade 11 if we choose mathematics.
So can you give one example of such number?
We use iota to denote such numbers.
You
We
can
use
study
so
for
7,
them
9.
in mathematics if we
Yes.
choose.
Sir, I've seen the symbol.
Yes, because you have seen I a lot of time.
23rd.
So all
So
right.
can you give options for the 23rd?
Options, yes. Who erased the options, guys? Who erased
So
it?
you. So
No.
you.
No. I did not erase.
This is
Mr.
very
Black, don't do such things in the class.
This is really
Sir, can you
difficult.
check my answer?
Mr. Bar, don't do such things in class.
Yes. Yeah.
No, but why would I do it? Because you like trolling.
Yes.
Why would I like trolling myself? Even I have to solve that question. Excuse me, sir, can you check my answer?
But I am checking and please send to ma'am for faster checking.
Sir, I like slow checking. Sir, Hitanshi is looking, he's speaking like he's crying.
Hitansh, don't cry.
Sir, I'm not crying. Sir, he's speaking like that. He is a very bad bacha.
Cry baby.
Sir, he didn't come
What?
to school today. That's because I was sick. Even I didn't come
Nice.
because I had a competition. which I lost. Table tennis. You suck.
All right,
Okay.
guys. All right. No fighting.
Keep it civil.
If you even get 1 point from me, I'll be impressed. I came to your house. That time I wasn't playing so well. I didn't even join table tennis that time.
So now we can have a match with Mr. Bind, whoever wants to challenge.
Me. So I'm pretty sure Mr. Ba wants to challenge.
Are you in the table tennis team?
I'm
yes.
not. He is. He takes classes.
So, okay, kids, the first one, a vendor supplies this much. So Parisi, the my answer. Navu
The
Pavu.
answer is D part 3800.
So,
Sir, same.
Parisi,
My answer is also D.
guys, you have to send it in the chat, not speak your answers. We know the rule. So a vendor supplies this much to a hotel in the morning and this much in the evening. If the milk costs 20 per liter, then how much money is due to the vendor per day? So for ease of working, I will first add 105 plus
190.
85
190.
multiply by 20. Now this time it's better to add first, so 190 into 20. Then 19 into 2 is
Into 2.
13. So I will add two zeros at the end.
Excuse me,
Luckily, I
sir.
was able to solve
Yes.
the question.
Sir, after solving the 23rd question, can I leave the meeting?
Yes, Peter, you can leave. Fine.
So can I
So
also?
next, yes, Mr. Ba, you also can. So a gardener has 389 saplings to be planted in 16 rows. How many saplings will he not be able to plant if he can accommodate only 24 saplings? So means he can accommodate 24 saplings in each
Into
of the,
16,
so 24 into 16.
which will give us 385.
4 plus 12, 16, 16, 384.
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I by mistake.
384. So then we will subtract this
And
from
we'll get the answer be
389
5.
to get the answer as B.
So luckily I was able to
Because
solve.
384 he planted, and how many are left? How many are left? When I
5.
subtract 389 minus 384 to get my answer as 5. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. So now can I
Yes,
leave?
Tithi.
So
Sir, when it was my turn to add 144 and 2 240, what I wrote is 304. And then when I was checking, what I had learned is that 4 we have to plus instead of minus.
Okay, beta. So
Excuse
have you
me, sir.
understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hitash, you and Mr. Ba can leave.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I bring my device's charger?
Your device charger, yes, you can bring. Go and bring quickly.
So can we have break
you
after
the guy?
this?
Why you need a break? We
I
already
don't know.
had
For no
I
reason.
gave you a 1 hour break in the last class.
But whose minion are you, guy? Whose minion?
I don't know. I'm very not creative today. In fact, tomorrow I'm gonna put randomized a guy because today I changed my names like 6 times.
Whose minion are you?
Uncreative guy.
No
Just
one.
put creative guy.
I said I have a minions. I have minions. See? Minions. I have minions.
Sir, the 25th one is it possible for me to solve it without using my notebook? Well, it is possible.
Is my answer wrong or correct?
Second one is wrong, beta. First is correct, second is wrong.
Oh, okay.
But I was hopefully able to get the answer. Yay!
That's great. So Navu and Adya and Candy. तो send your answer बेटा. वन सॉल्व हुआ है, वन का सेंड कर दो प्लीज.
Sir, I sent it now.
Right. There are 222 balls. If you take out 6 balls, so how many times you can take out 6 balls? So guys, there is another method also. Don't speak in between. So 6 balls can be taken out. 202 divide by 6. So that is 37 times. Now,
37 divided by 12.
so we will put 12 balls. How many times will we put?
37 times.
37 times. So means 37 multiplied by 12 is equal to 444.
Then why don't we just simply multiply 2 with 2?
Beta, I was saying na, there is another method. Don't speak in between, right? So this, have you understood Parisi, the logical method, and Navya? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then there is a shortcut method, because every time we are doubling the balls that we take out, because first we take out 6 and we put 12. So basically we are doubling the balls. आधे निकाले फिर double put कर दिए. So basically the shortcut way would have been, we could have directly doubled this and got our answer. All right, guys. Everyone understood this method also?
I didn't understand why we could double.
बेटा आप कहीं से एक बॉक्स में 8 balls हैं. So you take 2 balls out, and you put 4 balls in. So you are taking 2 balls out. कितनी बार करोगे? 4 times. So 4 balls in. Then 2 balls out. Then 2 balls out. 4 balls in. तो double नहीं हो रही every time.
Yes, sir.
So that is why. Now the 50th question I am not going to solve, but Chippy and those who got, I will explain once कि क्या करना था. You can work on your calculations. It should be faster, Chippy, and more accurate. So 15 chair and 15 blackboards were purchased. If each chair costs 115, so 50 times 115 will be the cost of chairs. And blackboard will be BB. BB will be what? Big basket will be 15 big baskets. Each big basket costs 345. So whatever answer you get, you
Just
add.
add to both.
So
Okay.
what I did is I multiplied the whole calculation twice and still I cannot see my answer here. And when I multiplied both, my answer also came the same both the times.
Both the time it came the same.
Yes.
So when you multiply 115 with 50, you get 57. Did you get 5750?
I
Yes or
got
no?
750. Oh, okay.
Now you got your mistake?
Yes.
All right. Can we move on? Should we check the second calculation also?
No, sir.
No, sir, it is fine.
It is fine.
No, sir, you can still just tell me.
So it is 5175.
When you multiply 345 into 15.
Yes. So let's do the 26th and 29th question.
Sir, give a
Or
really easy question.
I am giving a really easy question only. Such easy questions I have never seen in my life.
Sir, please, hopefully. I
We
don't know.
call it bacha questions. Such easy questions are there.
I don't see a single easy question on this slide.
So do the 26th and 29th.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mm,
Sir, can I quickly come from the washroom?
Yes, Peter, you can go. But come quickly.
Dia, which class did you have?
basketball at Ace Academy.
All right, guys, let's look at the solutions. So, Adya, what is the answer for 26th question?
Otherwise, I would have come.
Miss Adya, what is the answer for 26th question? बेटा इतने टाइम में तो नेक्स्ट क्लास आ जाएगी. All right, Guy, what is the answer for 26? The answer is D.
D.
And
Sir,
29,
I redid the
the
question.
answer is also D. So let's see. A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is which property?
Commutativity under addition.
Commutative under addition. Hacker, Guy, Ruhan, getting it? Then this
Sir,
is
I
the
understood
same
a long
as
time.
three numbers, associativity of addition.
So this is not
Then this
needed because
is
both options
this,
are same.
So, but then like one has a predecessor zero, but zero has no predecessor.
which beta, which thing are you talking about? Which one?
The
Zero
natural
is a natural number.
We are doing 20. Sudaram, 1 minute, beta. We are doing 26th question. A into B plus C is A into B plus A into C. This is distributivity of
Multiplication.
multiplication. So which question? Is this understood? Hacker, Ruhan, the guy?
Yes, sir.
And the 29th one, everyone got it correct. So there is no need to explain.
I got it wrong.
29th?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, Diya, क्या problem है इसमें?
I sent it to you. So the natural number that has no predecessor should be zero because there's no number that comes.
बेटा zero तो natural number है ही नहीं. So the natural number that has no predecessor is 1.
So what is
Zero is a whole number, not a natural number.
what is a natural number?
Natural number starts from 1 beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
And whole numbers start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, the smallest whole number is
Zero.
0. When 2 is added to 3 times to the smallest whole number, so 3 times to the, when 2 is added 3 times to the smallest whole number,
That should be 2.
बेटा ये लैंग्वेज थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूजिंग है. 2 is added 3 times to the smallest whole number.
Yes, so the answer is 6. I had a
6.
confusion between the natural number.
Yes,
D
the
minus
language is a
zero.
little bit confusing. Correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, which question should we do next? So it
Sir?
is
So 3 times 0 is 0 and 0 plus 2 is 2. So the answer should be 2.
better 3 times. They are saying
It
2
would be
is
smallest
added 3
natural
times.
number.
जैसे मैं listen to me. When 2 is added 3 times, मतलब 2 को आप 3 बार add करो. 2 plus 2 like that. This is what they mean.
To the smallest whole number shouldn't be there.
To the smallest whole number ये हो गया ना. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so that's what I'm saying. The language is confusing for that question. Now you will do 27, 30th. You will do 27 and 30th. Yes, do these two questions. So it's too hot now. Correct? Right? Right, Diya? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
if 0 has any decimal place values, is that counted as 0 or no?
I didn't get it, beta.
That if 0 has any decimal place values, is
Give
that
me an
counted as
example. Give me an example.
7 divided by 5. 0 point something something is there.
7 divided by
Counted as
5.
0.
Because 7 divided by 5 is not 0 point something. 5 divided by 7 will be 0 point something. This will be 1.4. This will be 0.7.
Then did you do that orally?
Yes, we can do that.
Wait. Hmm. So I'm not saying like 5 divided by 7 is 0.7.
Yes. 0.7.
So 5 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor.
Yes, so it will be 0.71, then
Is that
4.
counted
Then
as 0 or no?
what is counted as 0? This is not 0.
0.7.
This is 0.714. It's not.
So it's
This
not
is not a natural number, but it is a decimal number. It's not a natural number or a whole number.
so
So very good, Ruhan and Nabu Babu. And
So star
Parisi, sir.
question.
Yes, ma'am, please make this a star question. So if a whole number is divided by another whole number which is greater than the first one, the quotient is not equal to 0. The quotient is equal to 0 because the number is in decimals. So the quotient will be equal to 0. And I didn't read the question when you were asking. When you divide 5 by 7, the quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 5. If we are not going in decimals because we are talking in whole numbers. So it is true. Then sum of two whole numbers is always less than their product. This is not always true because 2 plus 0 is 2, but 2 into 0 is 0. So it's not always less than. It can, sum of two whole numbers can be more also, like when we take 0. So it can be more also. So this.
So you've ticked the option.
Yes, I picked the wrong option. 1 second. The sum of two whole numbers is always less than their product.
We take
2
0.
plus 0, 2 is always less. No. So this
So
should
2
be
plus
false.
1 is 3. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2.
But it is not always, no? So it is not always.
So
This
it's
is which
false.
question? Yes, so it will be false.
Like, sir, 2 plus 1 is 3.
So whole numbers are not closed under multiplication. They are closed under multiplication. So it is TF are not closed, are
So,
closed.
So it's B.
so what is not closed?
Sir, I did not understand question number 7 first part.
Excuse me,
Beta,
sir.
1 second. Just let me check. Whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Yes, it should be true. So, if it is written not closed, so it will be false. So it will be TFF. Yes, now you ask, guys.
Sir, what does not closed mean?
I should
Not
get
No decimal place.
not closed means the closure property.
so that means my answer was correct, right?
No, beta, whole numbers are closed. Whole numbers are closed.
They don't have any decimal places.
Means 7 into 0 gives you 0, which is a whole number. 7 into 2 gives you 14, which is a whole number. So they are closed under multiplication. So when it's written not closed, it should be false.
So the answer is B part, right?
What did I write? This was false. This was
So it's
false.
B part. You said
This is true.
yeah.
So then the answer
Part.
would be correct.
Yes, beta, I did not mark it properly. That's why I say send to Ragini ma'am. मैंने की में check नहीं किया था. The product of any two whole numbers is a whole number. If second question only Guy and Zapman got it wrong. If A and B are any two whole
Sir, I
numbers,
got my mistake.
B is greater than A, then A minus B is also a whole number. The product of whole number and 0 is 0. The product of a whole number and 1 is the number itself. So should I now which part I have to explain? You guys can ask. Any part I need to explain?
So question number 27, first part.
First part. बेटा जब भी आपको 5 जैसे 7 को आपको डिवाइड करना है 11 से, so quotient is 0. Either it's 0 or in decimals. But जो decimals में आता है ना, that is not called the quotient, that is called the basically the answer. We cannot call it the quotient. Okay. All right.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, just 1 second. One last question. Additive identity does not exist in natural numbers. True or false?
False.
Sir, true. True. True.
It
Sir,
is
true.
false because additive
False.
identity is 0. It
False.
exists in natural numbers. All
False.
right.
It doesn't this. 1 plus 1
Yes.
2.
Yes. So, okay, guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. I'll see you in the
Bye,
next
sir.
class.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Yes. Bye, guys. Bye. Thank you. Bye.